it might not be a good idea to put my glasses on right now, but.
Yeah, oh boy. Okay, so did we have any questions on the preparation we want to look at?
Emily, hi.
Oh,
Oh, good to see your beautiful face. You've been missed.
Thanks. So what are we doing?
so we just barely started. We're just deciding if there's anything in the preparation assignment we want to go over. So far, nobody has spoken up.
Hey,
Um,
I don't.
Emily, did you have a chance to get through the next homework for Unit 11?
Do the homework for it?
Yeah. Have you gotten through that part yet? I have a question on one if you hadn't. Okay.
But what?
Because it's number 3, Leilani and I are both getting a different answer than the answer key.
On the preparation?
No, the second part of homework.
Oh, okay.
And but our answers are the same, and there is just a marginal difference. And we're just wondering. I just wondered if you had. So that's cool. Is it cold in Rexburg? It is so hot and dry. I think we're starting fire season. I'm in San Diego. I think we're going to burn. It's so dry right now. And,
California's been scary right now.
well, yeah, because it's already burning in Central California. We usually get it in Southern California, and it's. I'm telling you, you'll watch it. Mm-hmm. Bad weather. I mean, I'm here. I'm just dying of heat. It's so hot and dry. It's like I'm just going to check what our humidity is. Anyhow,
Yeah, like 50 here in Utah.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's a warm day.
Yeah. Warm day.
Actually.
Well, it says humidity. Oh well. Okay, so we get started. Is there any other questions?
I don't have any on the prep.
Okay. Should we go ahead and get started with the quiz?
Yeah.
Ready. We'll see if we're ready for this. I love it when they give us the links we need.
Is this the 11 group reading quiz?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. When everybody's there, I'll read it.
I've just arrived.
I'm here.
Question 3. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation, sigma, was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? A, we assume sigma is unknown. B, we assume sigma is always 1. C, we assume sigma is the same as the mean mu. We assume it's unknown, right?
Yeah.
And that's real life.
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to know that in real life. For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be. The hypothesis null, mu equals 8. And the alternative hypothesis is mu is larger than 8. Assume the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample size of n and computes x bar equals 11 and s equals 6. Is sigma known? No, that's an easy one. What is the value of t? This is where we need our
formulas.
Yep, the formula T equals X bar minus mu
Mhm.
all over S divided by the square root of N. X bar is 11 minus
8.
what is 8 over S. S is 6 divided by square root of N is 9. So that should be
So that's 2. So it's 3 over 2.
1.5. 1.5.
1.5 would be 3 over 2.
Sounds good to me.
Awesome. You want me to read this one too?
Sure.
Use the following values, which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Problem is, I can't copy and paste from here. Anyway, use the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is equal to 98.6, and the alternative hypothesis is it is smaller than 98.6, and a level of significance of 0.05.
Okay, I can't copy and paste from the
I can't either.
test.
There's a function that enables that, by the way.
What's that?
So you have to type all these.
Should we just go into the body temperature and get them? Maybe
Is it the same numbers?
that's what I was going to check. I'll go check.
That'd be good. I'll count how many there are.
Penny walks in, she's standing on the table, imagining what it would be like if he, like, imagining that she's standing on the edge of the building. So she's standing, like, imagining that she's standing on the edge of yeah. So she could be
Oh, there's a ton. There's 149.
Okay, yeah, there's only 20 in the quiz, so we're gonna have to, maybe one person can name them off while another person puts them in.
Sounds good. Yeah, I have a question. Can you guys help me with one thing on the computer before we get going? How do I clear out the previous data that's in the quantitative inference procedures on the Excel? How do I clear out?
I do Control Z.
Let me just see if I can just, yeah, that worked. That's good.
That did it?
I think so. And then, so when it's empty, it just looks like the boxes they have in mine. I'm a Mac user I downloaded the Excel. I have a green triangle in the upper left corner to let me know that there's a formula active in that cell. That sound right?
Okay.
Okay, sure. Do you want me to read? And
Well, if you've got the file open, I can read.
yeah, I do.
Okay, 98,
Okay.
99.6, 97.8.
98 didn't stick. Hold on.
Sorry.
98. It's not sticking. 98. It keeps on wanting to say variable 1. How come?
Let me see if I can get it to stick in mine.
I've got it at 97.6.
Mine keeps on coming, variable 1 keeps coming in it.
Weird.
So read out loud after 98.4.
Okay. Sorry.
You know what? I'll just put it up in the FX up above and it comes in. Okay, 98. What's the next one?
After 98, there's 99.6, 97.8, 97.6.
I'm not getting them.
You got that, Holly?
Yeah.
So after 97.6 is 98.7.
I'm at 99.2.
Oh, you're down. Oh, you don't need me to read it to you?
Well, you can start, but start down there. I'm at 97.4 now.
You're fast. 97.4, then 99.1,
Uh-huh.
96.9, 98.8,
Um,
99.9,
also happy.
0.8, 97, 98.7, 97.6, 98.7, 98.2.
Okay. So, and the sad thing is, it's hopefully I got it right.
I just realized it's the first 20. It's the first 20 of the.
Is it? So now, what are we looking for?
That works. So we need to find what is X bar, which is
Is that
the
the mean?
those, right?
It's
Is that the
90,
mean or the median?
Mean, yeah.
98.22.
Yes,
98.2.
98.22.
That way,
98.22.
220.
22.
And then, yeah,
He just wants us to round it to 3 places, so,
so there's nothing on the third.
okay.
Right.
And then we need to find S, which is,
Sample mean.
oh, that would be the, what's it called? Standard deviation?
No, that's the sample mean.
Yes.
Oh, it's
No,
wait.
S-
Look.
S is standard deviation.
So is that on your
So-
chart?
0.922
0.922?
Wait. I have something different.
for standard deviation.
I have 1.027.
But you guys both have the same mean?
Uh-huh.
And you're looking at,
I put it in the quantitative inference procedures. I'm not sure I'm right.
Well, yeah, the standard deviation.
Your standard deviation is what?
0.922.
And your mean is 98.22.
Uh-huh.
Wait, what did you get, Holly?
0.922.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Are you guys on Excel? You're on Excel.
Yeah. And I'm on that quantitative descriptive statistics.
No, I'm on quantitative inference procedures.
Oh, you know what?
I'm on inference procedures.
I'm on
And
inference.
you got, so then, but you got the same answer as me, Emily, and you're on
Yeah, I did.
inference procedures? Okay.
I'm gonna,
You might have just bumped a number or something, Sarah.
What's
And
your
then,
confidence level number?
that would make a difference.
Mine is, I still have a formula in it. I don't have anything in there.
I'm gonna find that one and put it in there.
And are we supposed to be 95 confidence level?
I'm 0.95. Yeah.
Oh, wait,
I'm just trying to get this all in too. See if what mine does. 98.6. So many things open.
Where did you find that one, inference? With all the others?
Yeah.
I wonder why I can't find it.
I've got 0.922.
That's what everybody's getting. So this, I'm afraid I'm doing, I feel like something's open on my, that's why I really wanted to reset it. Remember I mentioned that earlier?
Uh-huh.
And,
The only value.
I don't know how to even, I don't know how to like go back. I'm not a Windows woman at all. So this is always a little bit of a learning curve for me. So I don't even know how to go back and repeat or delete what I just typed in. Like I have a box. Where's your back button?
Or what?
To go back and undo what you just put in?
On a Mac, that would be Command. Z.
Okay, okay. All right. So let's go with yours, and I'll figure out mine because I'm off a little bit.
Okay.
So number 7 is 0.922.
Yeah. Then,
Wait, I missed number 6.
oh, that was 98.22.
So me. Okay. So 922 number 7. Okay. So question 8. Well, do you have all the data in there? All the numbers that they gave?
Yeah, I cut and paste them from the link.
Okay.
So are we supposed to get the T off of the quantitative inference?
Yeah, it gives us that.
Yeah. I was starting to figure it out with the
Formula.
And I know,
Mine just has a formula in it, and it's not in there. I need to reset my entire thing. You know what? Can you guys give me just a second? I really want to do this with you.
Yeah,
I want to close this
yeah, just pull up a brand new one.
and pull up a whole new one. Yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
So then did you get a T of 427.903?
No.
No. You're looking on your chart?
Yeah.
And you've got the quantitative inference procedure chart?
Uh-huh. And that's for variable 1 with a mean of 98.220 and a standard deviation of 0.922. And then it gives me a variable 1 T is 427.903.
Do you have your confidence level in as 0.95?
Yeah.
And your null hypothesis at 98.6?
My null hypothesis is no. So
Should be 98.6.
thank you.
Oh, and we're supposed to be finding less then, aren't we, instead
Yes.
of greater then?
That makes a difference for the p-value.
That doesn't
Everything else is
T,
the same.
not for the T, yeah, okay.
Yeah,
I'm glad
it's the same.
So then
know
is the T negative 1.843?
Yes, that's what I got.
what we have.
Okay.
How's it going, Sarah?
I'm coming. I'm
Sounds
not
good.
there yet. I'm not there yet, but thank you.
We're patient, we're just wondering.
You guys are awesome. What is it called again? What's the name of it?
Quantitative, let me see, inference.
The quantitative.
Sorry,
You're good.
we're just saying the same thing.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Hold on. Gotta be a little faster than that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, well, look at that. This is going to be better.
Yeah.
I think. I think. Oh, beautiful. I'm in business, guys.
Yay!
Oh boy, no, I'm not. So this is quantitative inference procedures, and we have the mean, right? What's your guys' mean?
What?
98.220.
Yeah, I'm 13. Is 13.822. So I'm off. I don't even know what it is now.
Did you
Oh,
want to double check all the, huh?
There's some more information in here I need to take out, I guess. Hold on. Yeah, I got a few things to delete.
Like the old
A
data
little
that
bit
they
of old
put in
stuff.
as an example?
And then I don't have my triangles. My triangles aren't filled in. My formulas aren't filled in. This is my learning curve on trying to get on Windows.
And I don't even know what triangles you're talking about.
Oh, it just lets you know that a cell is formatted with a formula.
Oh, I see.
You guys have those, right?
I don't know.
No, it's not marked. I think we can let it say it's marked, but for us it's not.
Okay. I'm in business this time. Is the mean 98.22?
Yeah.
Is the deviation 0 or 0.922? Hook them with gas. Okay, where are we now?
We just did the T.
And the T is 427.
No,
Oh, I love it. Thank you for letting me get this all lined up.
but that's
So
not.
that's not the T.
What? Why is that not the T?
Holly had the answer too. I forgot what she did to change it.
The null hypothesis, I had to
Oh.
change it to 98.6.
Yeah.
We want to change it to what?
98.6.
Okay.
And less than.
And less than rather than greater than. Thank you.
And do you have the confidence level at 0.95?
Yes. Yep.
Then you should be.
Is the T now negative 1.843?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. This is Jeff. You guys are the best. Negative 1 point, what was it?
843.
843. Alrighty. Thank you. Number 9. And the P value.
I got 0.040.
Me
Yes. It's 0.040. Very good. Okay, so it's less than, what is it supposed to be, less than 5?
too. Yeah, 0.05.
So we reject it.
Yep. If the P is low, reject the null.
Yep. Okay.
So now we have another big set to do.
Yeah.
All right. For the baby boom JSE.
Wonder how many of these we need and what.
I'll count. It'll take you now. Oh my golly. You know what? It starts at 58 and it ends with 9 and then a 69. Let's see if we can find that.
58 or 59?
Oh, 59. I was just going back. 59, then a 9 and a 61. Baby doing.
Most of your kids. Average.
9 and 61 at the end?
Yes, 9 and the 61. Are you finding a nice group that we can cut and paste?
Yeah, I'm trying to see how many with that. Go back to it. I think it's 20.
Yeah, it's that.
Okay.
For 21. I have data in boxes 5 through 25.
Okay.
Yeah, so everyone else has.
Make sure.
Yeah, I think I'm getting them.
Yep. Okay, my question is, what do we put in? The null hypothesis is 40?
Yes. And I set it to not equal to.
The null is 40, and then it's just not equal to.
And it's 95 confidence level, right?
It doesn't say that. So is that just what's assumed? The level of.
I think it's 99 because the A is
I
0.01.
was wondering, is that what the 99 means? Is that what the level of significance? That's the level of confidence, right?
Pretty sure that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the null hypothesis is 40.
Yep.
And it's just not equal to.
Wait,
So do you
how
have
we know?
0.995?
I can't get 0.99 in there.
You can't get 0.99 in where?
In that confidence level.
Oh, just say 99. You don't have to put point.
Really? Mine says 0.99.
This is 0.9.
Okay, I got it. Mine, I couldn't get a point in.
Yeah, mine doesn't do a point either.
Weird.
My p-value is 0.995. Is that right?
0.995, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So maybe because we're max Sarah that it doesn't put the point in. I don't know.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah. There's a few differences, aren't there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so that's a pretty easy answer. We're on 12. That's a really high number. So we're going to fail to reject, right?
Except if it's an equal one or not equal. Does that make a difference?
Well, we're trying to find something smaller than 0.01.
Or larger. Because it's a not equal to. So it's either one, it's something other than the null.
From what I understand, that's not the same thing that we're talking about.
Okay.
I think the p-value is something different. That doesn't have to do with the not equal to.
Okay.
Am I right?
Well, I don't know, because earlier didn't we look at, which one did we look at to decide that it was a reject? We looked at the p-value.
Yeah. Yeah, we're supposed to look at the p-value, whether reject or fail.
And this p-value is 0.995.
Who's above it?
So is that considered high or low?
Because it's always supposed to be, the P is low, reject the null. If it's high, we're not going to reject. I'm going to fail to reject. Is that, am I remembering that right?
I think so.
I think you are.
Okay.
So then, the next question, a less than, but keep all the numbers the same.
Mm-hmm.
We want to see if the p-value increases or decreases, so take note of the p-value. I guess that's already on the answer sheet though, right?
Looks like it decreases.
Right.
Yeah, definitely does.
So then question 14 says, what decision do we make at this point if it's a less than?
It's the what?
If it's less than what,
Well, I think the p-value is still way too high. Even though it decreased, it's still way too high.
no, mine came down. With
But it's still higher than the
Higher than
0.01. Is that what we measure with 0.01?
Yeah,
So it's still higher than that.
that's how I understand it.
Okay.
Is there anybody that has a better?
so
No, if they gave me another option, I might choose it. But between those two, I think that's the best answer.
so are you still failing?
Yeah.
Yeah, failing to reject it.
Okay, yeah.
So now do we just change that to 95?
Yeah.
95% confidence interval?
Trying to find the lower limit.
Yeah. And that should be on the sheet. Already
Yeah,
filled out.
mine's blank.
Really?
Did you delete it?
Oh,
You
no.
know what? It did let me put the dot in now, and you're going to have to put the .95 in order to get that confidence level, Sarah.
Okay,
So try it again. Maybe just click on the whole thing and then try to put it in again.
okay.
Because it doesn't give it to you unless you have the dot in there. And unless I have the wrong one, but I have 23.499.
That's what I got.
That's what I have.
It says round to one decimal place, so
Oh,
23.4.
23.5.
yeah. I'm glad you saw that. I didn't see the round part.
It just says a question.
Did it work for you, Sarah?
No.
Try 0.95 in there.
It's locked. I can't get anything in it.
Really?
Yeah. It's there's just going to be a few problems, and my Mac's old. It's a very good little old girl, but she's just she's going to finish school with me, and that's
Well, those are the last two questions. So you would put in 0.95 in the confidence level and leave everything else the way we've had it.
Yeah, I think.
And yeah. And so the answer we got for 15 was 23.5. And then for the next one, I got 56.6.
Yeah, that's what I did too.
the upper limit.
So that's
All right, well, I'll go back and work on my Mac. But it's been a little frustrating on a few of these things. I'm sorry. You guys submitting?
We got 100.
100.
nice job.
Yay.
Thank you, ladies. I'll try to set it up for next week and see how I do. Okay, let me have a turn.
Sounds awesome.
Holly, yeah, text me and I'll help you with anything.
Okay, thanks. I'm gonna
That was great.
step off for a while.
I hope you feel better soon, Holly.
Yeah,
Thanks.
take care. Thanks, ladies.
Hey, bye.
Bye.
Bye.